All right, so 9:01, let's go ahead and get to Renee, who's giving us a deeper dive into our COVID numbers this morning, as you do during this regular time. Hello, Renee.
Yeah, so we can see this today. We're adding 1,143 new cases of coronavirus here in our state. Bigger death toll numbers that we are looking at, and these kind of are up towards where some of the previous weeks were over 200, so 213 new deaths being reported by the state. No indication as of yet whether or not that's due to autopsy surveillance, going back and recategorizing prior deaths, or whether that was over the last couple of days. Also, kind of relatively low testing numbers, that is, just over 6,700. Let me show you where we sit in terms of the number of deaths across the country. However, we've inched up just a little bit here. So if you look at the far right-hand side of your screen, I've got Maricopa County here highlighted in blue, and we have just now inched up past Queens, New York in terms of the death count by counties, and these are the top 20 counties across the United States. So we're, at number 4 with a number of deaths that is above, some areas in New York right now. But taking a look at the severity of the cases, the new cases that we are adding to the rolls, and you can see right here, Arizona in this lower left-hand side of your screen. This means 275 out of 1 million people with the virus end up hospitalized. Now, we were leading this about a week and a half ago, and now we're dropping down just a little bit. We're below New York, we're below Washington, D.C., and below Georgia as well. So certainly moving in the right direction. I do have to tell you this number, though, the percentage positive inching up just a little bit today as opposed to yesterday when we were seeing the percent positive go back down to 9% as it was the previous week. Now we're back up to 10%. So I'm continuing to watch that number as more data comes in over the next couple of days. This is a great number to look at, though. We're talking about the number of vaccines that have been administered here in Arizona. We're up over 1.3 million right now. The number of people that have been vaccinated, at least with their first shot, over 1 million right now. So we're reaching that milestone, which is a fantastic milestone for the state to be reaching, really rolling out those numbers quickly. 332,071 people have received both doses so far. So good numbers that we're seeing there this morning as well. Celeste?